Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best stud finder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best stud finder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 pick is Franklin Sensor's ProSensor 710 Precision Stud Finder. For a successful project, you need to know what you are dealing with on the other side of the wall. The ProSensor 710 Franklin Sensor's precision takes the top spot because of the accurate and detailed look it will give you while in use. The precision can detect a wide area of wall while searching for studs underneath. The extra width of the device means you will have a more accurate sense of stud locations as you move the finder along the surface. Let's watch more.
The ProSensor 710 Plus is the fastest, easiest, most accurate stud finder on the market. To operate, simply press and hold the button. Then, place it on the wall and go. There's no calibration procedure. You can instantly find studs. Once you have it on the wall, the LEDs show you right where the stud is. When you move the unit back and forth, the ProSensor 710 Plus continues to track the location of a stud, which makes it easy to instantly see the edges and the center of the stud. The ProSensor 710 Plus is the most accurate stud finder because it has more sensors. Other stud finders typically have only 1 or 2 sensors. The ProSensor 710 Plus has 13. It can find stud positions with unbeatable precision. With the 710 Plus, you can also see the full width of studs, which will help to identify wider objects such as 4x4s or double studs. The ProSensor 710 Plus also features a built-in bubble level and an integrated ruler to make it the perfect tool for many projects, ranging from hanging and leveling pictures to installing cabinets and flat-screen TVs. The ProSensor 710 Plus is made in the USA and is undoubtedly the best product of its kind. This stud finder will quickly become your favorite.
Our second best stud finder is Zircon StudSensor E50 Electronic Wall Scanner. This will give you basic wood and metal stud detection at an affordable price. This finder packs a lot of handy features within its small price tag. Capable of detecting both wood and metal studs, the finder will flash and beep once it has picked up the edge of a stud. It includes 2 scanning modes, Stud Scan for studs up to 0.75 deep and Deep Scan for targets around 1.5 deep. Let's watch more about this product.
Finding studs and joists is easy with the Zircon StudSensor A100 Electronic Stud Finder. The A100 is designed with a sleek, new, ergonomic grip designed to fit comfortably in any size hand at any angle. The A100 has 2 scan modes. Stud Scan mode to find the edges of studs up to 3/4 of an inch deep, and Deep Scan mode to find the edges of studs up to 1.5 inches deep. The tool also features wire warning detection, alerting you to the presence of live AC wiring. Just slide the tool across the wall. The easy-to-read display indicates when you are near a stud. The new target spotlight and spotlight pointer shine, and an audio tone sounds when you've found the edge. Be sure to mark this spot. Repeat the scanning process to find the other edge of the stud. The center of the stud is midway between the edge marks. Use the A100 to securely fasten pictures, mirrors, shelves, and cabinets. Buy your Zircon StudSensor A100 today.
Number 3 in our list is Bosch Digital Multi-Scanner GMS 120. This is a multi-scanning option that is comfortable to hold in awkward positions to reach the floor or ceiling. The ergonomic design of the finder houses a multi-mode sensor capable of detecting wood studs, metal support objects, and live AC wiring at the same time. This finder is the top choice for floors since it provides a deep 4.75 scan depth and can handle materials as dense as cured concrete. Our fourth pick is Zircon MetalliScanner M40. This will detect both ferrous magnetic and non-ferrous metals behind most types of non-metal walls, floors and ceilings. Beyond metal studs and other support structures, this makes the finder great for locating smaller items like screws and nails, deeply embedded into the wall up to 4 inches deep. The blue coil changes as you move the finder to reveal the precise location of any object it detects as well. Let's watch more about this product.
Welcome to Zircon headquarters here in California. Today, let's talk about the Zircon MetalliScanner M40, an electronic metal detector that quickly and easily detects metal in wood, drywall, paneling, tile, plaster, concrete, and other non-metallic surfaces. Just like most of your electronic devices, the MetalliScanner M40 requires a fully charged battery to function accurately. So before scanning, you'll need to install a new 9-volt alkaline battery with an extended expiration date. The MetalliScanner M40 easily finds ferrous or magnetic metal up to 4 inches deep and non-ferrous or non-magnetic metal up to 2 inches deep. With both wide scan and pinpoint modes, the MetalliScanner M40 makes it easy to find nails and studs, rebar, and ductwork. MetalliScanner M40 solves the difficult problem of finding studs in lath and plaster walls that do not contain metal mesh. The M40 works by finding the pattern of nails that fasten the wood lath to the studs. Now, the reason a normal stud finder does not work well on lath and plaster walls is because stud finders are meant to work with sheet materials like drywall. And although the front of your lath and plaster wall may appear to be very smooth, it's the backside that has such an inconsistent thickness, and that's a real problem for a normal stud finder. The M40 also works well with scanning concrete in order to locate and avoid rebar before drilling. It's easy to use. Simply calibrate your M40 away from the wall. Begin scanning the surface. This helps you find the approximate location of metal objects quickly and then refine your results. As the tool approaches a metal object, the LEDs progressively light from the bottom up. The top lighted blue coil and an audio tone indicate the strongest signal when a metal target is located. Sensitivity can be adjusted in both wide scan and pinpoint modes, easily allowing the user to recalibrate the tool closer or further away from the chosen target at any time. Eliminate guesswork with the MetalliScanner M40. This tool will help you conquer even your most difficult projects with the professional confidence that comes from owning a Zircon.
Last in our list is Hanson 03040 magnetic stud finder. This will naturally be attracted to the nails and screws that hold the home's frame together, giving you a good idea of where studs are behind the wall. The finder uses powerful rare earth magnets to find metal studs and fasteners without any need for power. The body of the finder also includes a two-way level, so you can hang the finder from a metal stud for accurately leveling walls and other surfaces.